Hello everybody, this is your host Avatar from Hustle Up channel, and let's begin this video really quick. I got my installation done on my vehicle, and you can see number one, the ventilation sewage RV hose. You would need a sewage hose which is 20 feet long, made by a company called Camco, CAMCO. You can get this hose from Walmart, and it's inexpensive. It will cost you about I think it was like $12 or so. You get that, and then you also if you go to the Walmart, you get some command hinge hooks. You need like one or two of those. Depends how many ventilation you would like to bring to the back. Now the thing is, if you have already have a rear what you call a vent in the back of the car, then you would not need a what you call the ventilation, like the way I did it. So that's the whole concept, is so your customer can actually see this and they can feel the AC pretty good. The next thing I need to do is I need to pull up right here so that it can aim more towards their face, but it's still actually pretty good enough. They're getting good amount of air. But there's always pros and cons. So if you are a driver, it's going to be very cold for you, so make sure you wear like a light jacket. It's going to be like freezing, like a cooler for you, because you have to turn it full when you have a small car like this. So you have to be aware of that. Now the reason I did not install a plexiglass, because plexiglass is a lot of work, and you would need to like cut off the edges and cut off on the board, and then you need to do the measurements. Now with this installation, guys, you don't need any tools at all. All you need is a pair of a scissor or cutter, and you can install it. So first, number one, like I said, you need that pipe if you need the ventilation. If you really have rear vent, you don't need to do that. Number two, guys, do not get double-sided tape, even though made by Scotch or any other I tried Gorilla Tape, and the black one actually is Gorilla Tape. Is falling apart a little bit. It still stick there, but it's not really good. So what I got, and I'm gonna reinstall on Saturdays. Actually, I got some Velcro. It actually is a very good double-sided tape, and you get from any hardware store. You can order online, and do not get and then you also need a 3M insulation kit. Which is 6 feet by 9. That will be more than enough, and if it's more, you can cut it out. You don't be short on that. So you need a window insulation kit that will say 3M on it. And number two, that pipe, the sewage pipe, the RV hose, and number three, the mounting tape. Okay, guys. So with the mounting tape, like I suggested, you would need a Velcro. You do not need a zip tie. Now I'm going to start up the car, guys, and I'm going to show you how well the airflow is. It's pretty good, and also show you the Velcro, the type of Velcro tape you would need. You don't have to buy the little small ones. You need one that is 15 feet long, and that will just go all over your car like this. Okay. So you can see this is in 19 Corolla, and alright, guys, so that's what you need. Velcro, 15 feet times 3 by 4 inches. So that will cost you around $17 at Lowe's, and you can get in store. I'm going to start up the car. This is a 19 Toyota Corolla. Alright, turn on your engines. Boom, boom. Okay, so I got it start up, and I'm going to turn to really low. And you see how this is attached. So let's go to the back and check it out, the airflow, how strong it is. Okay, I'm sitting in the back, and actually I'm on the left side, I'm not even on the right side, and I can feel that pipe air is blowing towards my legs, like even though on the driver's side. So if I'm sitting on the yeah, so you can, if you aim a little bit towards up this way, and it's hot outside, it's 9 degrees, but if you aim it towards up, it's even better. So that's what I'm doing on Saturday. I'm going to aim it up like this, and you can see how strong the air is. You can see it's blowing. You can see it. So they're pretty good ideas, guys, and save some money. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment below if you have any questions and what you need to buy. And like I said, don't buy these cheap tapes. Gorilla tape is the worst tape, you know. It doesn't really do anything, okay? So you don't need that. So Velcro is the way to go, and Velcro is very good. It just sticks right here, and then you'll only have to do it once. So I'm gonna redo it and then redo another video once I'm done. Maybe it will just be like a short video next time, so I can show you how I aim my vent. Yeah, you can feel the air both sides, because once this thing is closed and the air coming from the bottom, the air has nowhere to escape, so you're gonna get the air definitely. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And thank you for watching episode number 71 of Hustle Up channel. Keep up the hustle, and see you next time. Bye bye.